Imagine a young woman named Lily surrounded by a mountain of books and staring intently at her laptop screen. This isn't just a late-night study session, it's a snapshot of a journey marked by resilience and determination. Lily has always been nothing short of a multitasker, balancing academics, multiple part-time jobs, and volunteering at a local animal shelter. She epitomized the modern-day hustler. Yet despite her tireless efforts, the doors of success seemed frustratingly closed to her. Ever felt like despite doing everything right, the puzzle pieces just don't fit? That was Lily's reality. But here's where the plot twists. Instead of succumbing to despair, Lily pivoted. She sought guidance, realizing that the missing piece was perhaps a fresh perspective. With a mentor's insights, Lily began to harness her strengths. She discovered that real success isn't just about hard work, it's about smart work. It's about aligning your strengths with your efforts. Armed with a new strategy, Lily transformed her daily chaos into a structured journey towards her goals. Progress was slow and setbacks were plenty, but each small win reinforced her resolve. And then, the moment of triumph. Lily's dedication bore fruit, turning her aspirations into tangible successes. It was a testament to her newfound understanding. Success is as much about perseverance as it is about evolution and learning. Lily's narrative is a powerful reminder for all who strive and struggle. It tells us that our efforts are not in vain, and with the right mix of perseverance and strategy, success is within reach. Remember, every monumental journey begins with a single determined step. Keep pushing forward.